In the U.S. alone, there are over 60,000 dairies located in all 50 states. The average cow produces over 22,000 pounds of milk each year, bringing the U.S. to a total of 189 billion pounds of milk annually. Unfortunately, those same cows emit over 80 million metric tons of methane each year.
The waste released by these ruminants emit many different types of harmful gases, such as ethanol, methanol, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide. These gases contribute to the formation of smog and can increase people's risks for asthma and other respiratory ailments. These gases retain heat in the atmosphere and are not good for the environment.
This led us to researching different ways of adding different feed additives to the diet of dairy cattle in order to reduce these emissions. The two feed additives we used were vegetable oil and canola oil to be added to the diet of the ruminant animals. We fed these animals a 5% ration of these oils in addition to their standard corn silage feed. After the 15-day testing period, we collected the fecal matter of the animal, placed it in a test tube, covered it with a balloon, which then simulated the anaerobic environment of the rumen, which is essential for the methanogen activity, which is the methane-emitting bacteria located in the rumen, and then measured the circumference of the balloons after a 24-hour time period had elapsed. After the data was recorded and analyzed, we found an 85% reduction when vegetable oil was added to the diet of the ruminant animals.
We then conducted a second experiment to determine if the addition of oils directly to the waste of cattle would have the similar effects as feeding them. After multiple tests, we found the same 85% reduction to the gaseous emissions.
This experiment provided an exciting opportunity that dairymen can use as a proactive solution. By adding the number 2 yellow grease to their feed, they are still practicing an economically sound ration and reducing gaseous emissions. Therefore, we hope that this experiment can help bridge the gap between environmentalists and dairy farmers. Small family dairies like this can still be a financially viable enterprise.